Today we will discuss about types of orders in Forex. Basically Forex orders are of three types. First we say market execution. Second is limit orders and third is stop orders. Let's discuss market execution first. This type of order is used when you want to enter the market instantly. Here you just need to click on buy or sell price with a desired lot size and you get entered into the market instantly. This is also called in one-click trading. And same thing you can do in mobile trading too. Here also you just need to tap on buy or sell price to enter into the market instantly. Next type of order is limit order. Entry only if the market comes to your desired level. This means your trade get executed only when market comes to a level where you want to put a trade, so this can be done by putting pending limit orders. Before proceeding we want to tell you that limit orders are of two types: buy limit and sell limit. Let's discuss buy limit order. This order is used when you think market will move up, and you want to enter into the market at a price below the price where the market is currently moving. And when this happened you will see this type of movement in buy limit order. To put limit order you just need to select pending order first from here, then choose buy limit from here, and then put the value from where you want to enter, and place the order. Same thing you need to do in mobile trading. Select buy limit, put values, and place the order. Second type of limit order is sell limit order. Sell limit order is used when you think that market is in bearish trend, and you want to enter into the market from a price somewhere above the current price. You will see this type of movement when this order get activated. To put sell limit order, similarly you need to select pending order, then sell limit from here, put the values you want to enter, and place the order. And same thing with mobile trading, select sell limit, put the values, and place your order. Third and last type of orders are stop orders. Entry only if market moves in your favor. This means, when market is moving in same direction in which you want to put a trade, then stop orders are used. Like limit orders, stop orders are also of two types, buy stop, and sell stop. Let's talk about buy stop order. This order is used when you think that the trend is bullish, and you want to enter at a price above the current market price. You will see upward movement of price in buy stop order when it will be successful. For putting this type of order, you need to select pending order, then select buy stop from here, put values at which you want to enter, and place your order. For mobile, select buy stop, put values, then place the order. And last type of order is sell stop order. For this order type, trend must be bearish. In order to put sell stop order, entry price must be below the current price, and you will see such movement after it get triggered. And same steps are needed to put these type of orders. Select pending order, then sell stop, put the entry price value, and place the order. Also same in mobile trading, select sell stop, put entry price, and finally place the order. Thanks for watching the video. See video description for reliable brokers, free Telegram channel, our social media links and many more. Please subscribe to stay tuned for our next video. What is TP and SL?